Totoo nga ba ang sinasabi ng ilan na kahit meron tayong iba't ibang paniniwala, isa lang ang ating Diyos na sinasamba? Totoo nga ba ito? Yan ang ating pag-uusapan sa oras na ito. May mga nagsasabi, ang paniniwala raw natin sa Diyos ay nagkakaiba-iba lang dahil parang in a bigger picture, we only focus on some of the parts of God. For example, let's say may halin tulad raw natin ito sa isang buong elepante na hinawakan ng 10 tao na naka-blindfold sa iba't ibang parte ng katawan nito. In that way, doon magka-come up ang idea na iba-iba ang paniniwala natin sa Diyos sapagkat iba-ibang parte ng elepante ang kanilang nahawakan. Ngunit sa katunayan, ito'y isang buong elepante lamang. Pero mga kapatid, tandaan natin, ang sabi sa Bible in 1 Corinthians chapter 14 verse 33, that our God is not a God of confusion but of peace. And also, sinasabi sa Bible, makikilala natin siya kung sino ba talaga siya, not by part of His or incomplete knowing about Him. In fact, sabi sa Bible in Jeremiah 29:13, you will seek me and find me when you seek me with all your heart. Meaning, we can know God for who and what He is because we can find Him and have relationship with Him. Christians and other religious group cannot all be experiencing the same God. Why? Because in defining what or who God is, nagkakaiba-iba na. Let's say in Buddhism, naniniwala sila that God is impersonal. At sa atin naman na mga Kristiyano, we believe that God is personal. He is literally a person. It is impossible for God to be a personal and impersonal at the same time. At sa iba-ibang klase ng Christian groups naman, some of them believe that Jesus is God. At yung iba naman, hindi naniniwala because they believe that Jesus is literally a man, not God in the flesh. See, we have differences to each other. It's either tama sila at mali tayo o kaya naman mali tayong lahat. Pero hindi pwedeng tama tayo lahat. Why? Because there's only one God and one belief about God. Jesus said in John 14:6, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through Jesus Christ. If we have different beliefs about Jesus, whether He is God or not, tandaan po natin lahat tayo harap sa Kanya after we die. He has the rights to say, lumayo kayo sa akin, hindi ko kayo nakikilala. Kaya mga kapatid, habang tayo buhay pa, ilaan natin ang ating buhay sa pagkakakilala kay Jesus. Because He is the only way to His Father, to know His Father, and to enter into His kingdom. And this is the end of the video. God bless and Christ is King.